Alright, so I got the Cornish game hens and the Old Country Barbecue Pits tabletop grill. Just gonna let it ride. It's been a good day. It's so hot here right now, Texas, so we're just gonna cook up some hens, right? Some chicken. So we get that going today. So let's see how that goes. Alright, let's check it out. Looking good. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Looking good, looking good. Don't you think? And I did season it like I normally do with that salt lick barbecue rub, all seasoned. That looking good, don't you think? Man, and I did add some more B&B briquettes, keep it going, and I'll show y'all later on how I did that without having to actually pull out the ashtray. But yeah, so I let it keep going. But man, that is beautiful, don't you think? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one has, I love the way this color looks more than this one right here. So obviously it's a little hotter on this side, but hey, can't complain because once they're done, they're not gonna be looking like this, right? They're gonna be in my belly. So I'm gonna just close it back up and just keep going. Just a relaxing day, just chilling. Yeah, she's smoking. Yeah, don't you just love it when you see this? Yeah, just love it being out here just cooking. You just cannot beat that. Yep. I love it that I'm sitting it on top of the hot rod. Yep, kiddo's helping me. Yeah. Well, I gotta say, we're done. Yep, they're done. I'm gonna take them off, let it rest for a bit, not too long, and then I'm gonna start eating. But man, don't they just look beautiful? Look at that, look at the color. Man. I'm sorry, but I gotta show you. This is what you came here for, right? Alright, so I'm gonna take them off, put them on the cutting board, and then I'm gonna start eating. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, not dry at all. It smells so good. All right. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Oh man, you can see it's still going, letting it burn off the remaining B&B charcoal briquettes. But it did a excellent job, an excellent job. I mean, as you saw, you know, man, that bird just, those birds turned out just looking great, and didn't take out long at all to cook in the old country barbecue pits right here. And yeah, so let's give it a try. Yep. First off, it's not dry, moist. Oh yeah. And then the rub, love that rub because it has the aftertaste of the pepper, which I love. And then, man, just his breast. Oh man, that's flavorful. Like right now, just taste that pepper. That is so good. That is so good. Oh man, I rarely feature this grill right here because I mean I have so much fun with the Bronco or the Weber, you know. But I thought, you know what, because how, you know, small the hens are, I was just like, I'm gonna just feature them on this one right here. You know, it's a pretty simple grill to use, and I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and use it, and it did fantastic today, and I'll probably use it again, and hopefully you saw what it can do and you enjoyed it. And hey, maybe if you see it around, I know they have them at Academy, they have them at Buc-ee's, I'm not sure where else, but that's where I know where you can find them at. I know it's a different design now from this one, but same size. But overall, it did fantastic. Plenty of cooking space. I mean, those two Cornish hens fit perfect on there. I could have put a little more on there, maybe some sausage links. But yeah, it did great. And that rub, I still taste that rub. I still taste the hen. So man, it did awesome. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video, and you know, thank you for stopping by, thank you for coming, you know. So, you know, as always, thanks for stopping by, thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone.